check it out. I got a wild hair this morning. Sorry for the bumpy dismount off the stairs. And I installed the chimney. Don't do as I do. Do your own research. Do your own common sense. Hire a professional. That's what I would say. Hire a professional. Okay, let's see what's going on inside. I shut the door to the fireplace. I still have to put the chimney cap on right there, and the rubber boot right there. Oh yeah, we lost the flame. Let's open it up a little bit. Look at that, Vern. Look at that, Vern.